Hey everybody, my name is Max, or OffCornerDev, or Skun, or however you want to call me, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a small problem with many cases. They always get broken here, and what we're going to do is just break off this part and this part, then take some sandpaper and grind it off so it looks nicely, and nobody actually realizes that it's modified. So yeah, I'm going to take out my phone out of my case, which is quite hard. It's the Nexus 4 and the Rinky Slim case with a fly grip attached. Now all we have to do is break off these parts. I have to take care while doing it since it's my only chance. Just like this, and the second part. Here I broke them off, and now I'm going to take some sandpaper. Okay, and we're done. Boom. Okay, I'm going to make it look a little bit better in the end, but this is the main procedure, and I hope this helped a lot of people who are just annoyed by breaking their cases. This piece isn't really necessary. It's just supposed to look good, but in most cases it's broken and then it doesn't look any good. Peace out.